Hi guys, this is Andy. Wanted to welcome you back in today as we get ready for a final walkthrough of this home here in Clarksville, Indiana. It's been a long run getting this house to the point of going on the market, which it is coming up on Monday. And we just wanted to give you a final walkthrough as we're still working through some of the punch lists and cleanup and getting just last minute little items done on this house. So this house, if you remember seeing in the beginning, had been sitting vacant after being a rental home for many years. So we did go back in, keeping it as a single family residence and basically redo everything from the inside out. So this is all new electric and plumbing, HVAC, roof, box gutters. We kept the original windows and hardwood floors, but other than that, everything is new, including kitchens and bathrooms. Now we did add an additional full bath to this house, making it a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. With a large outdoor lot. This has a double lot that this house sits on with lots of mature trees close to the Ohio River Greenway, and like I said, it is getting ready to hit the market. But just want to take a second, give you a walkthrough today so you can compare the initial video that you guys saw with the finished product. Hope you enjoy it once again, and as always, hit like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing the content. We do have some other projects coming up that we've begun working on doing demo, and you can follow along with those as well too. Thanks for watching. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so walking in the front door, you can see our foyer area has changed drastically from what it originally was. We've got all these beautiful penny tiles here to finish out our floor, and then we've got the beautiful stained glass window, which has a little bit of repair left to be done on it. Walking through the foyer area, you can see we go into the parlor. Not a whole lot has changed on this room from the beginning. We did have a walkthrough here where you can see the nook is, and we ended up just framing it out as you see there, a little bit different than what it was originally. Other than that, all these ceilings on the first floor we have framed down a foot to allow us to be able to put HVAC ductwork. We run our plumbing through that as well as electrical, giving us smooth drywall ceilings. So straight ahead again, parlor. If we would come off of the foyer and walk to the right instead, we've got the living room. Straight ahead, that corner was our area where the box gutters had failed, leaving it completely rotted out. You could just see the mold on the wall originally. So all that was removed, repaired, rebuilt, and no longer there. It's back the way it should be. From the original video, you can see we no longer have that large picture window that was added at some point. We went back with, it is a fixed window, but it is sort of period correct to what may have been there with a little bit of detail on the top sash. And we do have all the original fireplace mantles in place. As you can see here, we went back and painted those black. Then walking through from the living room, we've got our formal dining room. Take a peek at it. Beautiful chandelier. First floor, we did a lot of can lighting in here just to accentuate all the natural lighting too. And we'll turn around. This was the corner as well on the opposite side that had rotted. This had to be structurally rebuilt as well and repaired. And then we left the original built in. You had noticed already the hardwood floors have been completely refinished. We went back with just a clear coat. These are all pine hardwood floors, turned out beautifully. Did have some areas we had to patch in, like you can see over here, but everything just flows and ties in nicely, even after having been patched. Then following through into the kitchen, obviously the area of the most change you can see here. The whole back of the house we went with tile. We didn't have any original hardwood floors in this area, so it was a nice way to give a good surface that could be cleaned, yet something that ties the whole back of the house in together. So tile running the extent of the space. Did leave the high ceilings with the can lights you see here. We'll get a good turnaround of the entire kitchen space. This was a window that was added above the kitchen sink. And then where the door is was originally a window, and then the window was not originally there, so that was added. If you will remember, the staircase was something that we had uncovered where one used to be, and then we put a staircase back. So this is all 100% new staircase, but I think it adds such a nice transition from the kitchen area, lower level, upstairs without having to go all the way around through the parlor. And then here the doorway goes down to the unfinished basement. There's our kitchen. Then following through, we've got our hallway. It has a half bath on the left. We'll check that out. Nice size half bath. This will be the main bath that's used for the first floor during entertaining, just general living in the house. And then this doorway leads out to the carport on the side. And then this is our mudroom, laundry room you have here. Just turned all the way around. HVAC is in the closet you see there, and then this one is just a large oversized coat closet that also has our hot water heater in it. Alright, so that gives us the first floor walkthrough. We'll take the back steps up and check out the upstairs. So both staircases, the front and the rear, lead up to this landing that you've got here. Same staircase up, window at the top of the steps here, providing a lot of natural light in this hallway. Then we've got our main upstairs hall leading off to the 3 bedrooms. So first bedroom on the left. Has original height on the ceilings, but everything had new drywall. This was the bedroom. We ended up taking a little bit off of the room, gave us a closet space there. Then on the other side of that wall is the second bathroom. All our transoms are still in place. Second bedroom off the hallway. Got some exposed brick from the chimney below. And a large closet space for that. Then we head on down the hall, it'll take us to the bathroom. So this was the bath we felt like was really necessary. The only bathroom that was on the second floor was for the master. And we felt like with the 2 other bedrooms, no one wants to go through the master bedroom to get to the other bathroom. So you can see here, we've got a shallow vanity. We recessed the toilet back here on the end with a nice can light above it. Great views while you're sitting on the toilet. And then we added in our large shower here. Very usable space. And all the way to the front of the house, we've got our master bedroom. Once again, this hasn't changed much either. The only thing we've really done, we fixed some of the framing that was here. We added this closet space. It does have double shelves in it, double rack. The back side of the shower there had to be reframed in order to be able to work properly. They had all their 2x4s turned sideways, making it really tough to be able to run plumbing and electric through it. And again, we've we've got the mantle that was repainted black, and then our new tub, vanity toilet, and the tile we've got here. This was set up with a little nook for towels or additional shelving if somebody wants to put that in. We did add a shower head to it. We did not set it up to be used as a shower, more just as a tub because of the window. But in the future, if someone wants to add more tile, do something with that window, they can always use it as a full shower if they'd like to do that. So that is the full walkthrough. I hope you guys enjoy seeing another house being transformed from neglected, falling down, in disrepair to what it is today. And hope to see you guys soon. Thanks a lot.